We have an amazing, amazing event tonight, Music, the Universal Connector. The two Gallatin faculty members we have on my left, Kwami Coleman and Ben Ratliff, both have work that moves between theory and practice, between aesthetics and politics in their approach to music. And of course, we're also very fortunate to be joined by these amazing Gallatin alums, Jenzia Burgos, Roddy Parker, Karl Scholz, and Leo Yablans. I also want to acknowledge the person who introduced me, who really made this event happen tonight, Leisha Bodden. Leisha joined Gallatin fairly recently, and she is already doing a great deal to galvanize our alumni community. Welcome once again to tonight's event, and let's get it started.
Something I really love about doing events is that it is surrendering your sort of own ego and artistry and sort of putting your, at times, body and mental health on the line to produce large, late-night collective events, which is something I find very beautiful. Its very existence is contingent on people coming together and participating in the event itself, which has been something I was interested in at Gallatin, and I've continued to be interested in outside, sort of separately to my own music and my own professional stuff.
I think about music, I think on a daily basis, and I'm theorizing about music and trying to make larger assumptions and connections about the rest of the world and our culture and people through what I'm discovering in music. What can we learn about artists who are working in spaces that are racialized as being white? When really there have been Black people in jazz and rock and roll and country and have continued to be. And so I like to think that my library is doing the work of unearthing some of that and making it as obvious as can be.
What surprised you most about what you do now?
How well things go when you focus on other people. Pouring into people who are worth pouring into, and then whole communities will rise up together, and then everything starts working out, and it just feeds on itself. So that was probably the biggest thing that I learned.
So this is one of the tunes from an EP that I released actually with funding from the Gallatin Dean's Award for Graduating Seniors. So thanks, Gallatin, for that. And this is kind of my idea about music as a tool of expression and conversation, just kind of put into practice.